Okay, we're gonna do a little walk around on the next gen 325. This is a zero swing 20-ton machine, so you can kind of get some up close in the compartment here. Got all of your cooling, you've got all of your air cleaning. Everything's at ground level. This is a zero swing or compact radius excavator. One of the nice features about the next gens on some of the smaller models is you've got oil check at ground level. So there is no more getting up on top to check the oil. You've got all your fuel filters, hydraulic motors. So we will go up on top here. We installed a auto greaser on it. If you need to check, if you're checking your coolant, your oil up on top, you can also do that, but there's actually a fair amount of room to work on those. So you can get flush mounted antennas. These ones happen to be the raised ones for your GPS or 3D machine control, so that's going to be a CAT integrated system. So one thing that's a little bit different on the integrated system is you don't have the big yellow radio that's actually mounted up underneath the cab, and so this is the wire that goes up, so that's going to be your radio for your GPS. But very clean. So let's we can go inside and take a look here. So it's a very spacious cab. They for different from the F series, from the doors with the slider. Now it's a full swing, so you've got a full-size cabin here, which is extremely nice. You've got all the next gen features as far as the display that's standard on all of the systems at this point. So to get through this, slide to the left. So this comes with installed payload. So this is going to have a scale, integrated scale on it. This is going to be your E-fence. And then this is just going to be your gauges. So my 2D grade control is disabled in this because I have the 3D earthwork system is up and running here. So a couple features on the side here. We've got some shortcuts here to your music. So everything is in the display, so you can get to anything from in the display, but these are nice to have over here to get to your radio and your HVAC. So if I were to push the HVAC button here, so now I can change anything, and everything is movable by touchscreen, or you can use the jog dial here too, which will move it. So I prefer just to use everything on the touchscreen, but it is a nice, it's nice to have options of both. So to get back to your main screen, you can just hit your home button. Again, like I say, all of those options are here. So here's your air conditioning, here's your audio, so it gets to that same function. So home button gets you back out. So you've got a standard camera here, camera view. You got a standard camera view here. You got a standard camera view here. You can just tap on the screen and that changes how it's displayed. There is a 360 camera in here that we can go find. So depending on what menu you're in here, you can there's always a menu over on the right hand side, so that's going to correlate with whatever menu you have. So you can turn your lift assist on your auto warm up, heavy lift. But if I swipe and I've got payload activated here, I can just hit that menu, and now that has all my payload settings in there. Similar to eFence. Hit that and it comes into my assist features and eFence. Everything is customizable here, so all of your buttons can be programmed. The front side, so there are some front buttons and some back buttons. To know what buttons those are, you can always hit the info button. This is always going to be your friend to see which ones are programmed. So if I push this and push and hold it, it's going to show me what those are assigned to. So you can, as they change, you can know which one is which. So these systems, or this excavator does not have a key to it. So this is how you turn the machine on and off. So this is going to be your power. Push the button when it turns green, and that'll fire the system up, or fire the machine up. And then here is your throttle, on and off, or up and down, I should say. So there are all sorts of things to these excavators as far as what's in this display and the options and the customization. You can save all of your own user profiles. You can adjust all of your assist. So this has great assist on it. It's got all of the automatics that can be adjusted. So these are really, really nice, fast machines.